Installation of SightLines gel pads is extremely simple on the Peltor ComTac 3 headset. All we need to do is grab our new pads, pull off the hang tag, get them ready, take our headset, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a finger underneath here, and we're going to pull. It's going to be very, very easy disassembly. Make sure that this portion, this foam, doesn't fall out. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Let's see, the foam did fall out, so we're going to put it right back in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this down for a second. We're going to take our SightLines gel pads. I definitely recommend you read the instructions on use. Take your pad, I want you to inspect it. Make sure there's no obvious defects. This one looks fine. It's perfectly oriented. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our headset. We're going to make sure that the relief cut is aligned up. And if you're going to see how I do this now, make sure that that wire's out of the way. I'm going to press along the perimeter. I don't need to press along that center portion. I can press along the perimeter here, and I can feel it snap into place. This is going to take just a little while, and it takes some effort as well, because that plastic on plastic is trying to snap into place, and it's not always the easiest here. Let's see if I can get it. Got one side. Got the bottom. And that big snap. That is complete. The headset is completely good to go on that pad. You can do the exact same thing on this side. We're going to inspect the pad. Orientation looks good. Make sure that foam is in the correct spot there. That's better. Press along the outside. And we're good to go.